everyone, my name is Caitlin Whiteman and I'm a director with Usborne Books and More, and today I want to share with you the 7 books that come in February's $40 kit special. For only $40 you can join Usborne Books and More in the month of February. You will receive these 7 books. You will be starting a fabulous library for your families, plus starting this awesome home-based business. So let's check out those 7 books. The first one is for babies and toddlers and is Slide and See Animals. We have several of these Slide and See books, and on each page of this adorable brightly colored board book is a sliding features that babies and toddlers, even preschoolers, love to manipulate. This is a great, quiet, busy book that you can bring like to church or the doctor's office or a restaurant. For those beginner readers, we have one of our phonics books, Raccoon on the Moon. This comes from a huge phonics series that we have and offer. There's not a ton of words per page. The pictures are amazing. The words are very big and bold, so it's great and encouraging those young readers to read and start mastering those words early on. If you have older children who love crossword puzzles, you will love finding general knowledge in your kit. This is about the size of a chapter book and would fit perfectly inside your purse. Great for taking like to doctor's appointments when you need to busy those older children. One of our beloved Usborne characters is Cordelia. This is a picture book written by Michelle Nelson-Smith, and inside you're going to see these beautiful illustrations of Cordelia, the girl who can fly. In this book, she soars and flies with the birds, goes over the ocean. She's an amazing, inspiring character. But about somewhere halfway through the book, she starts believing lies from other people that she can't fly. And she stops flying. She starts walking like ordinary people do. And there's an amazing transformation that happens in the book where she starts believing in herself and realizes that she cannot listen to the lies from other people. She must believe in herself and she must soar to new heights. It's an empowering story that we as adults and especially our children need to hear. So that's Cordelia. If you love Shakespeare, you are going to love this coloring book, Quotes from Shakespeare. Inside you are going to find beautiful pictures that you can color. This is a great gift like for grandmothers or aunts in your life, or one just for you as a mom to enjoy for your older children. But it has beautiful Shakespeare quotes inside, so if you have kids who are going to be studying Shakespeare in school, this could be a fabulous project to do together. So that's Quotes from Shakespeare. You might have met Nibbles the book monster already, but if not, he comes in your kit. Nibbles is a book monster who gets out at the very beginning of this story, and he immediately starts wreaking havoc. Inside this book, he goes on an adventure and finds himself going into the story Goldilocks and the Three Bears. There's a book within a book. How fun is that? He changes the story, he makes a mess, he finds himself in Little Red Riding Hood, and he changes the story and makes another mess. Nibbles is on the loose and he's wreaking havoc. At the end of the story, your readers can lock him back up and there's a little twist at the end. He is such a fun character. We have his plush as well as another Nibbles story that includes dinosaurs. Who doesn't love dinosaurs? The final book that comes with your $40 kit is Secrets of the Seashore, and it's from our Shine a Light series. This is by far one of our top-selling series. There is a hidden picture within every page of this book that a flashlight reveals, and I'm going to try and show you in this video. But behind every page, when you shine a flashlight, there is going to be little pictures revealed. Do you see those right down there? Those are barnacles. This is Secrets of the Seashore, of course. Here is one. The crab is on the move, but there's another hunter nearby. So we shine the light behind the page to reveal what it is. Can you see that? It's a starfish right there. We have, like I said, 15 books in this series, and I love that you get one in your kit because this is definitely one that you want to highlight for your friends and families. Can you see the little shrimp swimming in there? Kids love these books. So those are the 7 books that come in your $40 kit. If you have any questions, please ask them of the consultant who shared this video with you. I know they will be more than happy to answer all of your questions. We hope you'll be joining our amazing book business. We love being book ladies. We love these books, and we'd love to have you join us on this journey. Happy reading.